Hello everyone, I'm Shreya from Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering, studying in 4th Sem, Department of Electronics and Communication. Now I'm going to discuss about a topic in biology for engineers having the subject code BBOK407. Now I'm going to explain about carbohydrates, cellulose-based water filters, PHA and PLA as bioplastics. Firstly, introduction to carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are one of the three macronutrients essential for human health. They are the body's primary source of energy. Carbohydrates are made up of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen atoms. In this diagram, we can see the classification of carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are divided into two types, simple and complex. In simple, again, there are two types, that is monosaccharides and disaccharides. And in complex, there is polysaccharides. Example for monosaccharide is glucose, fructose, and galactose. Example for disaccharides is maltose, lactose, and sucrose. Example for polysaccharides is starch, fiber, and glycogen. Types of carbohydrates. There are three main types of carbohydrates: sugars, starches, and fiber. Sugar can be found naturally in fruits, vegetables, and dairy products. Starches are complex carbohydrates found in grains, legumes, and vegetables. Simple carbohydrates. Simple carbohydrates are also known as sugars, are quickly digested and provide a rapid source of energy. Common source of simple carbohydrates include table sugar, honey, and fruit juice. Consuming too much of simple carbohydrates can lead to spikes in blood sugar level. Example for simple carbohydrates is soda, cake, sugar, cereals, fruit juice, and etc. And example for complex carbohydrates are carrot, whole grain bread, bananas, oats, and brown rice. Complex carbohydrates. Complex carbohydrates such as whole grains provide a more sustained release of energy. They are rich in fiber, vitamin, and minerals. Including complex carbohydrates in your diet can help you feel fuller for longer. Dietary fiber. Fiber is a type of carbohydrate that the body cannot digest. It plays a crucial role in digestive health by promoting regular bowel movements. Good source of fiber include whole grain, fruit, vegetable, and legumes. And these are the food which are high in fiber content, such as avocados, coconuts, and bananas, popcorn, oats, whole grain pasta, millets, carrots, flax seeds, broccoli, and etc. Cellulose-based water filters. Cellulose-based water filters are filters which made from cellulose, a carbohydrate, a polymer found in plant cell wall. They are used to remove impurities and contaminants from water and are an alternative to traditional synthetic polymer filters. The high mechanical strength of hydrophilic properties of cellulose make it an ideal material for water filtration. Cellulose filters effectively remove particles, pathogens, and other contaminants from water, making it safer and more potable. Cellulose-based water filters are widely used in both developed and developing countries for household, industrial, and agriculture applications. They are also an environmental friendly alternative to traditional filters as they are biodegradable and can be produced from renewable resources. Now let us see the properties of cellulose-based water filter. Cellulose-based water filter have several properties that make them an attractive choice for water filtration. High porosity. Cellulose-based water filters have a high porosity structure which allow them to efficiently remove impurities and contaminants from water. Biodegradability. Cellulose-based water filters are made from a biodegradable material, cellulose, which reduce their impact on environment compared to synthetic polymer filters. Cost effective. Cellulose-based water filters are often more affordable than traditional synthetic polymer filters, making them accessible to a wider range of consumer and communities. Renewable resource. Cellulose-based water filters are made from a renewable source, cellulose, reducing dependency on non-renewable resource. Good mechanical strength. Cellulose-based water filters have good mechanical strength, allowing them to maintain their structure and perform efficiently over time. PHA and PLA as bioplastics. When it comes to bioplastics, there are two main forms on market today. They are polyacetic acids, that is PLA, polyhydroxyalkanoates, that is PHA. PLA plastics are made from plants like corn, sugarcane by extracting the sugars and refining them. PHA plastics are made from digestion process of microbes. PHA bioplastics is a type of biodegradable plastic derived from the bacterial fermentation of sugar or lipids in nature. It is composed of polyesters that are made from R-hydroxyalkanoic acid. Polyacetic acid, that is PLA, the environmentally responsible plastic. PLA is the talk of sustainable packaging town, and for good reason. It's a bioplastic made from renewable plant-based materials like corn, cassava, and sugarcane. Compared to PLA, PHS have both compostable and biodegradable in marine environments. On the other hand, PLA is compostable, but many stay for up to 1,000 years in the marine environment. PHS biocompatibility is another important aspect. Importance of carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are essential for fueling the brain, muscle, and other organs. They are particularly important for athletics and individuals with active life cycles. It is recommended that carbohydrates make up 45 to 65% of your daily caloric intake. Carbohydrates and weight management. Consuming the right type of carbohydrates in nutrition can support weight management. Choosing whole grain fruits and vegetables over processed foods can help maintain a healthy weight. It's important to balance carbohydrates intake with protein and healthy fats. Carbohydrates and blood sugar. Monitoring carbohydrates intake is crucial for individuals with diabetes or insulin resistance. Choosing complex carbohydrates with a low glycemic index can help stabilize blood sugar level. Pairing carbohydrates with proteins and fiber can slow down the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream. Carbohydrates and energy level. Eating balanced diet that include carbohydrates can help sustain energy level throughout the day. Consuming carbohydrates before exercise can provide the necessary fuel for physical activity. It's important to listen to your body and adjust your carbohydrate intake based on your energy needs. And these are some food items which containing the carbohydrates: rice, bread, chapatis, potatoes, banana, and some fruits, grains, and etc. Conclusion. Carbohydrates are an essential nutrient that provide energy and supports overall health. Including a variety of carbohydrates in your diet, such as fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes, is key to balanced diet. Consult with healthcare provider or nutritionist to determine the right amount of carbohydrates for your individual needs. Thank you.